Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today, oops, I shook the camera. We are unboxing Gramma in a Box for January. If you are not familiar with this one, I love this box. It is so much fun. Every time there's an opportunity to review it, I take them up. So this was basically devised by a grandmother who lived far away from her grandkids. She would Skype, send them a package of cookies and candies to decorate with her over Skype, and it was their way of spending time together. It's in a cute boxes. Are $30 each. They're themed for the month. You can buy one box or you can subscribe. It's up to you. This is their January box. If you're interested in seeing everything come together, I do a full review on my blog. Me and the kids make it together. It's always fun. I think it's really great because all of my kids have a 14, a 12, a 9, and a 7-year-old. I'm overestimating for my younger ones because they're very close to their birthday. All of them love this. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we all do it together. It's great for multi-age, and it's easy to clean up. And the instructions are super simple. Like, it's very easy for young kids to follow. So basically you take it out of here, and there is like a date on it used by, I don't know what it says. Anyway, so here's the box. Gramma in a box. Ooh, this one's sealed. I'll go away from myself, so I don't know. All right, here you go. So January 22 is dogs and cats. Oh my gosh. And then on the back, it tells you everything in the box. There are 1, 2, then it tells you how to reach them on social. 2 things include 2 projects included, I guess. The first one is pet paws. So we'll be making little paw prints of animals. And then the second one is dog and cat cookies. It's a cookie decorating project. So let's go in here and see all our tasty treats. All right, every box from Gramma includes 4 types of frosting. There's a yellow and orange, a dark brown, and then a light brown. And so these are really cool. You need them, you cut off the tip, and it's a little frosting bag. How neat is that? These M&Ms will be used in our paws project. These Rice Krispies will be used in one of our projects. I don't know which one. Oh, the crispy rice cereal. Okay, the crispy rice makes the paws, and also the melting chocolate. So you melt this chocolate. Every month it's a different color. This month it's just a milk chocolate color, and you're gonna mix this with this to create the little paws, and then you put the M&Ms on top in the shape of like 3 little toe beans. So there's that. That's so cute. All right, and then then we come to our cookie decorating. So this box comes with 3 small dog bone shaped sugar cookies, 3 cat paw shaped cookies, 3 cat head shaped cookies. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm excited. And 3 dog shaped cookies. Oh, so cute. All right. Then there's some little bones, little candy bones. And then there's a whole package of different types of jimmies or sprinkles, whatever you call them. There's some chocolate sprinkles. There's some yellow sugar crystals. There's some orange sugar crystals. There's multicolored nonpareils, and then there's multicolored jimmies. Lots of fun there. But what I love the most, this is me being an honest mom, is the fact that there are 2 pieces of cutout parchment paper included. You set up everything on this to set, to dry, and then to clean up afterwards. I take everything, I literally just put it into like a Rubbermaid container and throw it in the trash. It's perfection. If you need something to do with kids, the most amazing thing ever. Anyway, that is everything that came in my Gramma in a Box. If you are interested in checking it out, like them all coming together and seeing like my little kids' smiling faces, putting it all together, check out my blog if you're interested in checking out Gramma in a Box. Of course, I will link to them down below with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.